Teaching pedicle screw stimulation outside of the operating room can be difficult, but the Cadwell Cascade Surgical Studio CadX simulator simplifies this task utilizing the threshold mode. There are a few steps to follow. In procedure setup, probe 1 must be set as an output body site in channel setup. As well as the output in the threshold mode stimulus settings. The maximum intensity delivered is also set in the threshold stimulus settings. Display thresholds can be adjusted in the threshold general settings. The threshold tones are set in the threshold channel section as well as the starting threshold amplitude. To access the pedicle screw testing, click on the CadX control panel, which is the large X that is located on the recording toolbar. The CadX dashboard is automatically opened. Click on the pedicle screw heading. Then click on the anatomical spine to populate a list of stimulation locations. The anatomical spine is customizable to show the entire spine or just the sections of spine that will be tested. There is also the option for showing the posterior or anterior aspects of the spine. Click on the spinal processes that are to be tested. Then click and drag the horizontal bar to adjust the pedicle screw integrity level for each. In this example, left L3, left L4, right L3, and right L4 are set up for stimulation. Right L4 will have a low threshold. Stimulation can be done in either the manual mode or automatic mode. The choice is made in the mode control. If using the automatic threshold mode, simply click on the spinal process that is to be tested, then click on the mode control to start. The stimulation intensity will ramp up until it either reaches the maximum intensity chosen or it captures a compound motor action potential. The stimulator will then continue to stimulate, making small incremental changes until the next level is chosen.